Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money with Ria Money Transfer. Let's get into it. First, log in and start the transfer. The first step is to open your account so the system knows who is sending the money. You need to get into your private workspace to start the transaction. Open the Ria app or website and log into your account. Then click the button that says Send or Send Money. Pick the country where you want the money to go, because it tells the system which part of the world you are sending your cash to. You have to be logged in so the system can keep your private details safe and follow the rules for sending money. Next, enter the amount and check the cost. You need to decide how much cash you want to send and see exactly what it will cost you in fees. Type in the amount of money you want to send in your home currency. Look at the screen to see how much the other person will get in their own currency after the exchange, because it shows you the full price before you pay. The tool acts like a calculator to show you the latest exchange rates and any small fees. It makes sure there are no surprises and that you are sending the exact amount you want. Next, pick how to pay and how to give the money. Now you have to choose how you will pay for the transfer and how the person on the other side will get the cash. Choose a payment method like a bank account or a card, and then pick a delivery method like a bank deposit or a cash pickup. Select the fastest way if you are in a rush, or the lowest fee choice if you want to save money, because it determines how fast the money moves. By picking a card, your transfer can often arrive in just a few minutes, while a bank transfer might take a few days but cost less. It gives you the power to choose the best path and makes sure the money is delivered in the way that is most helpful for your receiver. And that's it. To send money in Ria, you must first log in and pick the country. Then, you enter the amount to see your total cost. Next, you pick your payment and delivery ways to decide the speed and price. Finally, you add the receiver's info and confirm the transfer. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.